Deepak Singh is a coordinator and General Badul also is a coordinator. आज तुमका हम वेलकम करता मीडिया प्रेस एंड सोशल मीडिया. आज आमचो एक कॉन्फरन्स आसा. आज ऑल ओव्हर इंडियन आज कितें जाता एगेन्स्ट द मायनॉरिटी तुमी जाणा. तुमी टीव्हीचेर पळयलां आसतलें आनी गोंयान कोण आयज बी आमचे टॉप मोस्ट लिडर मायनॉरिटी लिडर्स बीजेपीक आसा पळय ते कोणूच कंडेम करूना. आयज हांव तुमी जाणा गुरगांव इज अ ओपन स्पेस एक अलॉटेड केल्ले यूपी गव्हर्मेंटान फॉर प्रायवेट प्लेयर. कित्याक लागून ते एक इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया आसा आनी ते इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया मस्जिदासून फार अवे आसा आनी ते एरिया वॉज गिवन टू देम ओनली फॉर द फ्रायडे प्रेयर. लास्ट 15 years they used to do the prayer. आज ते प्रेयर ते रायट विंग्स ऑफ द बीजेपी तेंच्यांनी स्टॉप केला आनी थिंगा फ्रायडेचे ते कावडन घालता कितें कितें करता आनी रमेश तांकां नमाज करपाक दिना आनी पुलीस फोर्स असले पॉलिटिशियन असले तरी पण ते तांकां आयकना. सो दीस इज द वन. थर्ड हरिद्वारान एक क्लियरली हिंगा तेंच्यांनी मेन्शन केलें दॅट वॉज द कॉन्फरन्स टेकन बाय द ऑल द हिंदुत्व इव्हेंट नेम धर्म संत December 17 to December 19 and तेंच्यान क्लियरली केला की बाबा विल purchase the weapon and finish the Muslim community. It was clear in the presence of the politician who was sharing the decks in that meeting. Third, the church was vandalized in the BJP ruled state. That is 150-year-old church vandalized in Karnataka. And one on the Christmas day there was the one church was demolished in the Haryana also. Karnataka Bible Lasele. This is going out of hand. आणि यांच्यानी young youth बी काढला की बाबा this time we have to see कि Muslim other minority community should be finished. आज हम गव्हर्नमेंटाक विचारपाक पळयता सेंट्रलाक एज वेल एज गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक बाबा तुम्ही हे वस्तूक लागून कंडेम कित्याक करना. आज बीजेपीन मायनॉरिटीचे कितले लिडर आसा आज एकट्यान बी आवाज करूना की बाबा हे दिस इज गोइंग अगेन्स्ट द मायनॉरिटी. आज बीजेपीन आमचे मायनॉरिटी खास करून मुस्लिमचे बॉडीज आसा ते आज दोगी आसा. आज ते कित्याक वचे आसा अरे तुम्ही बीजेपीन आतां वचत म्हणल्यार बीजेपी कितें रॉंग करता तेचे कंडेम करा. तुम्ही कंडेम करना कितें चल्ला. आनी आमचो सीएम 500 वर्सां कितें जालें ते आज तो टॉपिक काडटा. तो म्हणटा द टेम्पल शूड बी रिबिल्ड विच वॉज डेमोलिश्ड बाय द पोर्तुगेज. 5 वर्सांचे पयलीं तुका कितें खबर आसा की खंय टेम्पल आसा कितें आसा. ओके वी रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द रिलिजियस प्लेस वी डोंट डिफरन्शिएट बट आयज आमकां टेम्पल नाका आमकां मस्जिद नाका आमकां चर्च नाका. आमकां कितें जाय आमच्या भुरग्यांचे डेव्हलपमेंट जाय आमच्या भुरग्यांचे एड्युकेशन जाय तांकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट जाय. आयज लोक उपाशी मरपाक लागला. तुमचे कडेन कांयच मुद्दे ना म्हणून तुम्ही फक्त रिलिजन बेस करता. म्हाका सांगा बीजेपीचे कडेन एक कितें मुद्दे आसा दे कॅन जस्ट ओपन ऑन द पब्लीक प्लेस. कांय ना तेंचे कडेन फक्त रिलिजन इश्यू नाजाल्यार टेम्पल इश्यू नाजाल्यार पाकिस्तान इश्यू नाजाल्यार बांगलादेश इश्यू तेजे बद्दल आनी कांयच ना. आनी आमचे गोंयन गव्हर्मेंटान बी प्रमोद सावंताचेर कितें इश्यू आसा कितें केला तेणी कांय डेव्हलपमेंट ना. हांव आयज प्रमोद सावंताक आनी आमचे मायनॉरिटी लिडरांक सांगपाक पळयता की बाबा तुमी हेजेर कित्याक आवाज काडना. तुमी मायनॉरिटीचे मरे आज मायनॉरिटी सांबाळपाक लागून तुमी बीजेपीन केला. तुमी कितें केला. नॉट अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट इज कम अगेन्स्ट दीस. आमचो नेक्स्ट लुईजिन फारो इज अ बिग लीडर आनी ताका राज्यसभान तृणमूल काँग्रेसान नॉमिनेट केला अनअपोज. आज वास्कून कितें जाता गोंयान कितें जाता इंडियान कितें जाता तूं कित्याक कंडेम करना. यू हॅव बिकम अ नॅशनल लीडर नाव. लुईजिन फारो हॅव टू कंडेम दीस एक्ट नाजाल्यार आमकां कळटलें की बाबा यू आर द बी टीम ऑफ बीजेपी. आप have taken the issue just yesterday saying that there is a Christian is being attacked. Why only बोलपा लागला, लोक मारता, मॉब लिंचिंग जाता. You people are quiet. Central PM is not only for the BJP, it is for entire India. Home Minister is not for the BJP, it's for the entire India. They should raise the voice, they should condemn what is happening is wrong. Tell the police force, tell the defense force, but take action against this person. Then मागीर आमी खंय तरी पावतले, नाजाल्यार आमचे फुडार बरें ना. हांव सांगपा पळयता की बाबा हेंचेर आमचे गोवाचे लिडर्स आसा पळय तेंच्यांनी एक्शन घेवपाक जाय, तेंच्यांनी कंडेम करपाक जाय आनी तेंच्यांनी बीजेपीचे एगेन्स्ट उलोवपाक जाय. बाबा हे चल्लां ते रॉंग. आनी आमी सगळे मायनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट कंडेम करता कितें चल्लां तें. आनी आमी खास करून ते सीएमाचो स्टेटमेंट आय कंडेम. CM, please, we don't want this thing. We don't want masjid, we don't want church, we don't want temple. We want development, we want employment. आमचे भुरग्यांचे फुडार बरें करून फुडें सरपाक जाय. आनी गोवा वॉज अ पीस लविंग प्लेस. आयज आमची कितें हालत जाला? कांयच ना. आयज गोव्यान बी तेच जावपाक लागला. आतां पळय नेक्स्ट डोर आमचे कर्नाटकान पावला रायट विंग. दॅट डेमोलिशन, दे अटॅकिंग द मायनॉरिटीज. कोणाचे आवाज जायना. So I request all my minority leaders to please come on the road, please protect our minority department against the right wing of the BJP. And in this, I will tell you, AAP and Trinamool Congress is the B team of BJP just because of that point. Rather than as किधे तरी condemn करपाचे. Thank you. So next, so Advocate Melvin will give some brief on this.
See, the statement that was made by the CM basically with regards to restoring the temples where it was, we have nothing to say against the religion or something. See, it is a very impliedly unharmonious statement that is made. Why I would say is this: Goa has been a very peaceful state, adopting an Indo-Portuguese culture which has always been peaceful and it continues to be peaceful. If a statement is made to restore something, restoration means to get something which was there and it is not longer existing, get it back there somehow. So this sort of a thing which is going to be forceful is only going to get unharmony amongst the Goan, and Goa can tomorrow be termed as another Bihar or UP wherein there has never been brotherhood problem. Let Goans live peacefully. Whatever has been the culture, it has not gone wrong. We as Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Sikhs, we have always lived as brothers and sisters. Let's continue to do so. Thank you.
My chairman and my colleague Melvin has spoken in depth about it, but I just want to highlight certain things. First, our PM visits Vatican City. He takes big pictures with the Pope with one hand. On the other hand, on the Christmas Eve, the Christians are targeted in various parts of the country. What does this show? That is, our Christian has got, our Prime Minister has got two faces, one for the international community and one for the right-wing people. That everyone should think, including the Prime Minister himself and the Minister for Home Affairs, Mr. Shah. Now, the latest thing is about Mother Teresa's. This congregation has been going out of way to help the poor and the needy and the sick, which are thrown out by the society. They pick up and they help them to live a life of dignity. But what happens after 40 years? No one has done that thing before. The foreign funding is blocked. Okay, fine, we have some reason blocked. The accounts are frozen. Just with a note saying that auditing is required. You audit. At the same time, you release certain amounts so that there are around 22,000 workers who are serving all over the state and other parts of the country. There are patients, sick patients who are there. Their concern has to be looked after. There are orphan children who are there. Their daily bread and butter has to be looked after. So I think so the country is moving in such a direction where it does not have any horizon to look at. Come back to our Goa. As my chairman said, as Melvin said, what we are up to, our own Catholic brothers who are there in the BJP government has remained silent against the statement made by the CM Pramod Sawant. We don't want any infights. We are peace loving. I remember my childhood. We used to go to the Hindu's place for Ganesh, Pauli, and we used to live in a brotherhood environment. But that fabric is being demolished by such statement. I feel it's high time all the minorities, even the Sikhs are being targeted. So let us keep away all that minority agenda, whichever the BJP is trying to bring into and create divide. Let us work towards there are lakhs of youth who are studying, qualified but are unemployed. See the inflation where it has reached. The petrol, which we used to, I remember, 70, 60, now it is gone to, and this is only for election. The day election is over, we will be back again crossing the 100 mark of petrol. I feel it's high time, instead of bringing the divide and rule policy like the British, we should get together and work towards the fruitful development of this state and the country.
There was a block meeting with the candidates and for Vasco development. Then we observe the meeting value which has
The blockage of that meeting.
the decision that candidate.
Only the observer had come and senior vice president of GPCC just to take the opinion who will be the candidate for the Vasco constituency. So there was a suggestion of 3 names. One of Mr. Carlos Almeida, second Nanda Rao, and third was the Honorable Rodriguez.
ब्लॉक आता सध्या ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट नाम लोकांनी किती डिसिजन
No, that resignation accept करू ना. Today was sharing the chair as a block president. So as a resignation accept करू ना.
ओके
Anything else? Question regarding
Basically, the press conference is all about a secularism.
secularism, which is
Being
no
destroyed.
more. It's been like a UP and Bihar.
See, basically, this press conference is all about the apprehension that has been raised because of the statement that has been made. This statement has made us insecure about what is going to happen in future. If there is something called restoration, and at the same place where is restoration is sought for, and if there is already an existing structure wherein there are maybe if it's a religious structure also, what would be the fate of that structure wherein the sentiments of those people who visit the structure would be? How the sentiments are going to be controlled if restoration is sought for? So that's the reason I had made a statement that is a very impolitely unharmonious statement that has made the minorities insecure today. If at all, why we are insecure is that nothing is made clear. A statement is made. We got to restore it where it was earlier. So tomorrow, if you have to restore it, will it be a forcible restoration, or will that restoration create disharmony in this peaceful state of Goa? People have to decide. It's not all about the minorities. The restoration, which looks to be going to be very forceful in future, is only going to create a rift in this brotherhood. What we live and what we have lived, and what we would love to live in future. So, for me, as of today, the statement should have been self-explanatory when it was stated.
How you see the statement came during the peak time of the election, right in the corner?
What he has made, he shouldn't have made it. Well, whom does he want to get happy about this? If he has to get happy, he has to get the people of Goa have to be happy about it. Today, if our minority is not the part of Goa, minorities are the part of Goa. If minorities have brought a sense of insecurity, it's only because of the statement made. That's why it's not an express statement, it's an implied statement. If a person sits, any reasonable person sits and talks about it, will impliedly understand that yes, this is what he means to say.
Is it an election gimmick made during the
Probably. That's why it's
to
a
cater the votes and all?
Of course. Why will such a political figure make a statement like that? Isn't he going to gain? He very well knows where the statement was made. The statement was made wherein one community was there. So definitely he couldn't have made a statement wherein the minority community would have been gathered. There was no minority community gathered over there. Minority community would have, if they were gathered over there, would have been heard instantly. Now we are reacting to it. We
So
would
you are
have.
condemning.
We are condemning it. And one more thing, there was a breaking news. The Supreme Court lawyer writes a letter to CJI N.V. Ramanan to take the show motto of hate speech for the violence against the Muslim Iman in Haridwar and Delhi. And the lawyer asked CAG to take immediate action against the guilty person under the section of 120B, 121A, 124A, 153A, 153B, 295A and 298. See that the common person who is in the common neutral, they do all such things. I appreciate this advocate who is a Supreme lawyer advocate. He have done this letter to the Supreme Court. And he have told the Supreme Court to take the action against this.
Najib, in coming election, will minority will play a major role in this election?
Naturally, you will see that the change of
See,
government.
minority will definitely has always played a major role. Always played a major role in every election. There have been independent candidates who are now thinking of going where they should not actually have gone, and there are minorities who have definitely voted for them. So minorities played a role always, and minorities this election will definitely vote for a secular party.
I will tell you one more thing. See, in 2014, central government got elected. Central. After that, almost 18 states was ruled by the BJP. But in spite of that, in 2017, Goa government was, the Goa people have given the thumping majority to the Congress. This shows the Goa people are peace loving and they want a secularism government. They don't want the all communism. So ताका लागून आमी म्हणटा की ए पार्टी बी काँग्रेसूच येतले आनी लोक एकूच पार्टी डिसायड केला हे पार्टी आनी विजन केला की बाबा दिस टाइम ओनली काँग्रेस नो A, B, C थिंग ओनली काँग्रेस.
Thank you.